gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby dozy day today. Today I'm excited. I feel like it's been a long time since I've been this excited about a new bag. In my recent Q&A, I was asked if I had a summer bag or summer bags in particular that I had my eyes on. And up until a week before that Q&A, I didn't. But I do now. Yes, I am excited. Gucci has launched new designs of existing styles of bags and they have really got me just super excited. It feels like it's been a really long time since something new has come out in the luxury handbag sphere that has really got me excited. I'm going to say it, giddy. I'm going to be saying excited and giddy a lot in this video, so buckle in, kids, that's happening. We are in June. We are towards the end of June 2024, and I've not bought a bag yet this year. She goes through the little Rolodex in her head, because I'm old school like that. No, I have not bought a luxury handbag in 2024. Why is that? Okay, so from my luxury wish list for this year, which I will have linked down below, I was kind of vague about things. I had ideas and I had concepts. I would still like to have a Bottega Veneta mini Jodie, but I don't know which one. Do I want green? Do I want white? You know, it was kind of more conceptual and not pinpointed to really specific pieces like, oh, I have to have this exact one. So I've kind of just been mooching along a little bit this year. I've been seeing what's been coming out and I like it. I like it, but do I have to rush out and buy it this instant? I've not had that feeling of having to rush out and buy it this instant, that FOMO feeling that I just have to have it. All of my dreams will come true if I have this one particular bag. That might also be in part because, and they're over there, they're behind you. They're behind you. Oh no, they're not. Oh yes, they are. They're behind you. It may be because I have a fabulous array of handbags already, but there's always stuff that I like and I would like to have more options, please. So putting all of that aside, I'm just there, I'm just flicking through on the Gucci website. Not really, I can't remember why I was there. I don't think I was there in particular to look to see if they'd actually launched anything new. I think I wanted to go and look up something that I had previously looked up. Anyway, that doesn't matter because my eyeballs were filled with joy from the Lido collection. The Gucci Lido campaign is all about holidays and sunshine and chilling out by the pool, playing around with your friends and just hanging with the people you enjoy hanging out with and just doing fun stuff. It is youthful, colourful, vibrant, and it is fun. Now this photo shoot, this campaign, it's great. It's great fun. Doesn't it just make you want to be there? However, as someone who really tries to take care of her bags and things, it does pain me to see all of these gorgeous bags and clothes submerged, all in the name of a photo shoot. I will say though, it does make for a very striking campaign and marketing images. Before I got into Fendi, before the Fendi Fever took hold, I wanted to get myself a Gucci Super Mini, one of the little Marmont Super Minis. And when we had the multicolour collection, and Amelia Rose has this Super Mini and Dale had it. I don't know if she still has it. Dale, let me know. Missed out on that. Was upset. I always wanted a Super Mini, but then there wasn't another one that I loved enough to go for. Enter stage right, Fendi, and the Mini Baguette, which has become a firm favourite. I have 3. I expect I will have more than 3 at some point. It became a really firm favourite as a really great everyday bag, and it kind of pushed that Super Mini, that desire for the Super Mini to one side, because the Fendi Mini Baguette is more versatile. as well than the Super Mini. I'm not sure you can take the chain strap off the Super Mini, but it is just a chain strap, a long crossbody chain strap, and it doesn't have the option for a top handle carry. So Fendi Mini Baguette, tick, tick, tick. And if Fendi had brought out an option similar to this, I wouldn't even be talking about Gucci. I would just be talking about Fendi. There are 2 Super Minis that Gucci have launched, and it is all about the prints. There is this lilac and yellow with little GG Supreme stitched into the padded kind of fabric, and the colour combination. Now, you know I'm not a yellow girl, but this yellow against this lilac, it just looks chef's kiss. Yes, that colour combo. And I don't like to brag, but I think I could pull off that colour combo. They're doing like the Super Mini bucket bag in the same prints. And I have wondered if that would be a good thing for me to go for, something slightly different. It's the same punchy colour combination. Even though I don't like north-south tote bags, and I don't particularly like bucket bags, this one could be a good option. I am a lady in a certain stage of her life, and I find I need a fan with me a lot of the time, and that's only going to get more, the need is only going to get greater as we move more into what should turn into some sort of British summertime at some point, especially in New York, because that's going to be hot, hot, hot. So I'm probably going to want to keep this with me at all times. So would the little bucket bag be a good option, because I can have my fan just poking out of the top, and it should have enough room for things like my sunnies and stuff like that. It does have a bigger capacity than the Super Mini. If you are new to my channel, then hiya, I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms, and if you get giddy over new handbags like this, like I do, you should probably get down there, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So that is the Super Mini crossbody flat bag and the Super Mini bucket bag in the lilac and yellow. Those both of those styles also come in another colourway, which is a straw effect raffia, very summery, with green, a sort of a yellowy, limey yellowy, lemony yellowy colour, and purple in zigzags. Like waves, they look like waves. So both of these Super Minis also come in this colourway, which is just, it's fun. It screams fun to me. The colours individually, with the exception of the green, which is a kind of minty green, which is more minty than this, but I have a linen shirt in that minty green. With the exception of that, they're probably variations or shades that I wouldn't go for of the same colour, if that makes some sort of sense. But together, the 3 of them together, on that backdrop, in that material, absolutely gorgeous. So again, Super Mini crossbody flap and Super Mini bucket bag. Because I like the mini baguettes so much, and because they're so versatile with the top handle and the removable crossbody, and you can put other straps on them and all that kind of stuff, I think the Super Minis crossbody flaps are actually out, which is a good thing really, because they're sold out. Those ones are sold out. The mini bucket bags are still available though, so I'm thinking about that. But wait, that is not all. I'm waving my fan at you, because the Marmont crossbody flap bag also comes in the small, which is a bigger bag than the mini. It is a bigger bag. It comes in the small, and I'm thinking this is kind of the same size as the regular Fendi baguette. Again, it does not have the removable top handle and stuff like that, so arguably less versatile, but can be shouldered, doubling up the chain and leather crossbody strap, or crossbodied. And it's big enough that I could carry my sunnies and my fan And everything a girl needs, maybe a little face spray, a little spritz to keep fresh and lovely in the heat wave that we're going to anticipate at some time in the sunshine. Now, that's the one. That's the one. Is that the one? I kind of feel like that might be the one. Or is it the mini bucket bag? I don't know. I kind of need your help. I kind of need to get into store to have a look at them as well and try them on. But these are the bags that I have been most struck by through the summer releases. They are the most fun, with the exception of the Loewe bird bags. They are just hilarious fun, and I do love them, and I would have it in green and pink if I could. Animal bags aside, novelty bags aside, let's put it that way. Novelty bags aside, these are the only ones that have really caught my eye. I have found that the summer bags on offer have all been a little bit, just a little bit neutral, just a little bit not out there, not fun. Gucci Lido is all about fun. I love both the lilac and yellow combination print. I love the zigzag 3-colour combination on the straw effect raffia, and I think they're fabulous. And price-wise, they're relatively reasonable. The mini bucket bags and the mini crossbody flap bags are around about £1,000. So if you think that the Fendi Mini Baguette is £1,750, so that's quite a bit more for those. Less fun, but more versatile. At the moment, less fun at the moment. Obviously, Fendi has brought out some real crackers as well, and I will always keep my eyes open for those. And the small Marmonts, which I would pitch up against a Fendi regular size baguette size-wise, is coming in at, what was that? I think 1,700, 1,750, which is almost £1,000 less than the Fendi regular baguette at 2,600 thereabouts. So price-wise, in the grand scheme of things, in the loony price-tastic, always going up luxury handbag sphere, they're relatively reasonable as well. And space for a fan. Let me know what you think of these choices. I can't get my fan done up now. Oh no! Oh no! It's all happening. Stay professional, Gwenny. Please, stay professional. It's what people come here for. Professional, slick editing and delivery. I'm sorry, I tried to keep a straight face, but I couldn't keep a straight face. Let me know what you think of these bags. Do they excite you? Do you think they're silly? Let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you could see the excitement in my eyes. If you did, please show it the thumbs up, love. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fun, Davy Dozy, and bye-bye.